Westpac offers a range of mortgage options tailored to meet different financial needs and goals. Among these, the best Westpac mortgage option focuses on providing flexibility, competitive interest rates, and long-term affordability. For many borrowers, the Westpac Flexi First option is highly recommended. This mortgage allows homeowners to make extra repayments without penalty, reducing overall interest costs and shortening the loan term. With an interest rate starting from approximately 6.49% per annum for owner-occupiers, it balances low monthly repayments with the ability to pay off the mortgage faster when finances allow. Another strong contender is the Westpac fixed-rate mortgage, ideal for those seeking predictable monthly repayments. Fixed rates start around 6.79% per annum for a 3-year term, giving borrowers certainty in budgeting. The fixed option is particularly suitable for homeowners who prefer stability over fluctuations in interest rates, protecting them from potential market increases. Westpac also provides the Flexi Saver option, combining a mortgage with a linked transaction account. This setup allows borrowers to offset daily deposits against their loan balance, effectively reducing interest costs. For example, if a borrower has a $400,000 mortgage and $50,000 in a linked savings account, interest is only calculated on $350,000. This can save thousands of dollars over the life of the loan while maintaining access to funds for emergencies. All Westpac mortgages offer features such as redraw facilities, the ability to make lump sum payments, and optional loan split structures. These features cater to homeowners who want flexibility and control over their finances. The best Westpac mortgage ultimately depends on individual financial goals, whether minimizing interest, locking in stable repayments, or maximizing repayment flexibility. Choosing the right mortgage ensures long-term financial stability and a smoother path to owning a home outright.